Hai, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So for this video, kita akan tengok subtopic 8.4 Preparation of Alcohol. So untuk this subtopic, mainly kita dah belajar before this in alkene, in haloalkane. So kita just recap balik sahaja. Okay, so preparation of alcohol, there are several steps how to prepare alcohol. One of it adalah fermentation of sugar. Okay, so ini some of you might come across this in biology. So if you have glucose react with enzyme and you will form ethanol and release carbon dioxide. So this method only applies to ethanol sahaja. Alkohol-alkohol lain tak boleh di-prepare by this way. And the reaction is catalyzed by enzyme in yeast, which means dia akan undergo fermentation. And the enzyme are denatured at temperature above 45 degree. Therefore, the fermentation must be carried out between this temperature. Okay, so ini adalah equation untuk fermentation of sugar and how you can form ethanol. So bila tulis equation begini, you need to balance the equation. The next one is from hydration of alkene. So ini kita dah jumpa dalam topik alkene the other day. So you need reactant, alkene and water, and you also need catalyst H2SO4 ataupun H3PO4, okay? Hosoh ataupun HOPO. And the rule applied here is Markov-Nikov rule. And the general reaction for formation of alcohol from alkene, okay, you have alkene C double bond C, carbon-carbon double bond, react with water molecule with the presence of, ini tulis H2SO4 hosoh, and then kamu akan tambah, buka double bond here, and kamu akan tambah H and OH. Therefore, you get your alcohol here. Right, so next one is hydrolysis of haloalkane. So untuk hydrolysis of haloalkane, kita baru je belajar in previous topic when you have haloalkane react with any of the nucleophile and then followed by step hydrolysis. Okay, react dengan water at the end untuk buat OH. Okay, untuk tambah. Okay, so the next one is hydrolysis of haloalkane. Kita dah jumpa juga this one in haloalkane punya topik, previous chapter. And unit reactant, haloalkane and nucleophile. So contoh here kita ada NaOH. And the general reaction is, contoh you ada haloalkane here, react dengan NaO. And remember, NaO is strong nucleophile. So, with the presence of water untuk buat hydrolysis and undergo reflux, and kamu akan dapat OH. Okay, ganti, substitute dekat position halogen. And your halogen akan combine dengan sodium to form side product lah. Jadi NaX. Okay, X is your halogen, boleh jadi Cl, boleh jadi Br. The next one, okay, kita tengok example, masih lagi hydrolysis of haloalkane. So, contoh you have this haloalkane. Okay, so tengok ada Br. So, at this position, kita akan ganti dengan OH. So, OH ni dapat dari mana? Dapat from your strong nucleophile here. Kita react dengan NaO and undergo reflux. So, untuk this reaction, you will get side product NaBr lah, because you are using Br as your halogen, haloalkane di sini. And the next example, let's say you have 2-chloropropane. Okay, propane sebab ada 3 carbon. React dengan strong nucleophile juga, NaO, and undergo reflux. So this position Cl akan diganti dengan OH with your nucleophile. So this is nucleophilic substitution, and you will get your side product here, NaCl. Okay, so just recap balik apa yang kita dah belajar in previous chapter. So ini yang kamu belajar in Grignard reagent, topik haloalkane the other day, and dalam session Google Meet. Okay, so if you have haloalkane react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether and hydrous ether, you will form Grignard reagent. Okay, so from this Grignard reagent, kalau react dengan methanol, you will get primary alcohol. If you react with aldehyde, kamu akan dapat secondary alcohol. And if you react with ketone, you will get tertiary alcohol. Okay, so from your Grignard reagent, maksudnya daripada haloalkane, jadikan dia Grignard reagent and react dengan aldehyde ataupun ketone, you will form primary ataupun secondary ataupun tertiary alcohol. Okay, now let's have a look at few example of Grignard reagent. So ini recap sahaja untuk apa yang kita dah belajar the other day. So for this one, okay, so you have this Grignard reagent, and the one I highlight in yellow is the alkyl group attached, and this is where we write it back. Okay, so kita tulis balik semula apa exactly the same alkyl group. So your aldehyde, methanol ataupun any aldehyde or ketone, kita tulis in this form. Sebab senang nanti kita nak combine, kita nampak. So bond sini putus, carbon buat bond dengan this C carbon, and then you will get new bond here. Okay, so before you get this product, actually dia akan jadi OMGBr. Okay, then second step baru kita buat hydrolysis. So bila buat hydrolysis, barulah kamu gantikan OMGBr ni jadi OH. Okay, so ini terjadi dekat second step, which is you buat protonation. Okay, tambah proton. Okay, so the same thing untuk all the other example. Okay, so macam mana nak predict? Tulis je semula. Okay, and then rewrite semula structure of aldehyde. So ini from your aldehyde here. Okay, the one I highlighted in purple. So the second step is kita buat hydrolysis. So ini, this part akan jadi OH, and you will form your product MgOHBr. So this one is secondary alcohol. Okay, so the next one is okay, so the next one sama juga. This one is your alkyl from Grignard reagent, and daripada ketone tulis je semula. Second step baru kita react untuk tambah proton, so akan jadi OH. There you go, your alcohol, and this one is tertiary alcohol, and MgOHBr as the side product. Okay, now let's have a look at this example. This is your alkyl group, and tulis je semula, and you will combine with ketone. Okay, second step baru jadikan dia OH. Okay, so kalau kamu buat arrow begini, maksudnya you terus form the final product, which is the alcohol. Okay, so kalau kamu buat one by one. Second step ni baru kamu tulis H3O+. So that means dekat in between tu, contoh, if you react these two together first, kamu akan dapat so if you react these two together and then kamu akan hasilkan this product first, lepas tu barulah you react dengan H3O+, H2O with the presence of acid catalyst H3O+. Okay, barulah kamu buat protonation to get OH. Let's have a look at some exercise. So for this question, okay, kamu buat sedikit penambahan. So if you look at this question, write the chemical equation for the following reaction. The first one, from third butyl alcohol, kita nak form dia daripada alkene. So maksudnya C double bond C form alcohol. Macam mana? Okay, so ini adalah hydration of alkene. So first lukis dulu your structure here. First thing first, lukis dulu structure of third butyl alcohol ni, which is 1,1-dimethyl ethanol. So ini your structure of your alcohol here. And then kita nampak dekat sini OH. Okay, so if you want to form this alcohol daripada alkene, maksudnya before kita tambah H dengan OH ni, hydration kan tadi, this one. This is hydration of alkene. So kita removekan H2O. So you can see, oh, here is the carbon-carbon double bond. So kamu dapatlah dia punya alkene. So tulis baliklah dia punya alkene. And to double check, untuk double check hydration of alkene, kita buatlah from this way. So you have carbon-carbon double bond, buka bond, tambah H, OH. And remember, ini ikut Markovnikov rule. Alright, so the next one, you have question, minta write the equation to form isopropyl alcohol from an alkyl halide. So soalan ni dia general je, dia tidak specific. So it can be any haloalkane. So tulis dulu isopropyl alcohol ataupun 2-propanol ni dulu. So here is your 2-propanol. 1, 2, 3, OH dekat second carbon. And then whenever you write reaction, make sure kamu tulis dengan cara yang betul lah. Tambah dengan reagent, arrow dekat bahagian bawah is dia punya condition, reflux ataupun heat. Okay, so untuk haloalkane banyaknya melibatkan reflux. Okay, so for this one, since kita menggunakan haloalkane, so this is hydrolysis of haloalkane. So maksudnya kita akan buat nucleophilic substitution. So that means OH ni, position OH tu mesti adalah asalnya position of your halogen. Okay, halogen apa? Any halogen lah, sebab dia tak specific. So I use this as the strong nucleophile, NaO, and Cl as the halogen. Okay, so just gantikan dekat position ini dengan halogen, any halogen of your choice, and tulis dia punya side product NaCl. Okay, draw the structure of A and B. Okay, so kita tengok soalan A dulu. So soalan A ini ada MgBr. So nampak je ada MgBr, maksudnya dia adalah Grignard reagent Okay, and then this one C double bond O, ada satu kaki hidrogen. So maksudnya ini adalah aldehyde. So kalau carbon double bond O, dua kaki alkyl group, maksudnya ini adalah ketone. So if this is the case, react dengan aldehyde, the product expected here should be a secondary alcohol. Okay, so kalau kamu dapat selain secondary alcohol, okay, so you can see here, ini adalah part alkyl. Okay, I just redraw balik. And yang hijau ni adalah from the aldehyde here. Okay, and connectkan them both. Okay, intermediate dia akan dapat dekat sini OMGBr. Tapi kita buat second step, which is hydrolysis ataupun protonation. So this part akan jadi OH. Okay, so mesti ada step 1, step 2. Alright. Okay, so now kita tengok the next example, macam mana kita nak form B, structure B. So this is hydration with the presence of acid catalyst. Okay, so carbon-carbon double bond, buka dia punya carbon-carbon double bond jadi carbon single bond, H masuk dekat carbon with more hydrogen, OH masuk at the adjacent carbon. So you will get these two masuk. Okay, there you go, your alcohol from alkene. From alkene kita boleh juga form alcohol. Right, so the last example, determine the pathway and write the mechanism. Okay, so untuk this one, I've amended the question, so please take note. So I've amended this molecule. Okay, so ini. Alright, so for this question, okay, kita react dengan NaO with undergo reflux. Okay, so for this question, determine the pathway and write the mechanism. And please take note, I've changed the question. So please do some correction in your notes. Okay, so for this one, you have haloalkane, Cl, attached to this alkyl group. And this haloalkane is a primary haloalkane. So kalau primary haloalkane, normally kita akan favor SN2. But in this case, kita kena tengok sama ada steric factor ataupun steric effect ataupun tidak. In this case, you have carbon. Okay, kalau kamu expand carbon, hydrogen, Cl, and you have this CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, so you can see here ada bulky group attached to this carbon. That is why kita tak akan favor SN2 mechanism. So for this reaction, dia akan favor SN1. So for this mechanism, okay, akan ada rearrangement. Since dia adalah primary haloalkane, okay, you will form primary carbocat. That is why kita kena rearrange to form tertiary ataupun more stable carbocat, depends on the question. In this case, kita akan favor tertiary carbocat lah. Okay, so the first step is a slow step. So halogen akan leave the group, Cl will leave as Cl minus ion, and you will form a primary carbocat ion here. Okay, carbocat. So primary carbocat is least stable. Yang paling stable tertiary, secondary, primary. So dia akan buat shift. So dia akan shift dengan jiran, carbon jiran. So this carbon ada CH3. So dia akan swap places. So you will get tertiary carbocat ion. Second step barulah nucleophile attack. So nucleophile in this case strong nucleophile, OH minus akan terus attack dekat this carbon, and then OH buat bond dengan this carbon, you will get your alcohol.